Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover the secrets to building a financial legacy for your family using infinite banking, a strategy that's gaining popularity, especially among women looking to take control of their financial future. Infinite banking is all about empowering you to take back control from traditional financial systems and create a strategy that serves you and your family. Instead of relying on the conventional financial system to determine your financial success, you can use infinite banking to make your money work for you. And the best part? It doesn't have to be complicated. Let's dive in and see how you can use infinite banking to create a lasting financial legacy for your family. First, let's understand what infinite banking actually is. Simply put, it's a strategy that uses whole life insurance as a tool to create a personal banking system. But wait, don't let the term life insurance throw you off. This isn't about a death benefit or leaving money behind after you pass away. Instead, we're talking about a policy that builds cash value over time and allows you to borrow against it without going to a bank. The key here is the cash value you accumulate in your policy. Over time, this cash value grows, and as it does, you can access it whenever you need, whether it's for an emergency, a business venture, or even for your child's education. But let's break it down more clearly. What makes infinite banking so powerful is the ability to borrow against the cash value of your life insurance policy. This means that you're not limited to the traditional banking system or high-interest loans from creditors. Imagine being able to borrow from yourself without the hassle of paperwork, credit checks, or waiting for approval. This is the foundation of infinite banking. And here's where it gets even better. The money you borrow from your policy doesn't affect the growth of the cash value in your account. Your cash value continues to grow, even when you take loans against it. This gives you the flexibility and power to tap into your own resources without losing out on future growth. Now, let's talk about how infinite banking is especially powerful for women. Women tend to live longer than men, which means they often face longer retirement periods and consequently higher financial needs in their later years. With the rising cost of living, inflation, and economic uncertainty, many women are realizing that relying on traditional retirement plans or pension systems is not enough. Infinite banking offers an incredible opportunity for women to take control of their own financial destinies. By creating your own personal banking system, you can build a secure, tax-advantaged nest egg that will support you and your family for years to come. And the beauty of infinite banking is that it allows you to be your own bank, borrowing and lending from yourself as you see fit. If you've ever felt like the financial system isn't set up to help you, infinite banking is a game changer. Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. As women, we often juggle multiple responsibilities: career, family, and personal life. But one of the most important responsibilities we have is ensuring that our loved ones are financially secure. And while saving in traditional accounts is important, it doesn't always help us build the wealth we need to leave a lasting legacy for our families. By using infinite banking, you can do more than just save money. You can create a wealth-building system that benefits not just you, but your children, grandchildren, and generations to come. Imagine a future where your kids don't have to worry about debt, education costs, or their financial well-being. That's the power of building a financial legacy with infinite banking. One of the major reasons people are turning to infinite banking is because they're tired of the restrictions and limitations of the traditional banking system. With banks, you're often limited by high interest rates, strict loan terms, and long application processes. With infinite banking, you're in control. You decide when and how to access your funds, and you don't have to ask permission. Plus, the growth of your policy is tax-deferred, meaning you won't have to pay taxes on your cash value until you decide to withdraw it. In addition, the death benefit of the policy ensures that your family is protected financially even after you're gone. This means that not only can you build wealth while you're alive, but you can leave a legacy for your family that will continue to grow for generations. Start with the Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. Let's talk about the steps you can take today to start building your own financial legacy using infinite banking. Start with a whole life insurance policy. The first step is to secure a whole life insurance policy with a reputable company. Make sure the policy is structured for cash value growth, not just death benefit coverage. This is the foundation of your infinite banking system. Fund your policy. Once you have the policy in place, you'll begin funding it. The more you contribute, the faster your cash value will grow. This means you'll have more financial resources at your disposal when you need them. Borrow against your policy. After a few years of growth, you'll be able to borrow against your policy. You can use this money for anything, whether it's for personal expenses, investments, or to pass on to future generations. Repay the loan. As you borrow from your policy, it's important to make repayments. This keeps your account healthy and ensures continued growth. Repaying your loans also helps you continue to borrow money in the future when you need it. Now that we've covered how infinite banking works, let's dive into why this strategy is so valuable for families. Wealth building. Infinite banking isn't just about saving money, it's about building wealth. Your policy's cash value grows over time, creating a stable financial foundation for your family. Debt-free future. As you borrow against your policy, you can pay off high-interest debts, such as credit cards or personal loans, without relying on traditional bank loans. This helps you break free from the cycle of debt and start building real wealth. Tax benefits. As your cash value grows, it grows tax-deferred. This means you won't have to pay taxes on the growth until you decide to withdraw it. This gives you an incredible tax advantage compared to other types of savings accounts. Financial protection. Your policy comes with a death benefit, which means your family is financially protected in the event of your passing. The death benefit is paid out tax-free, providing your loved ones with a financial cushion when they need it most. If this message made you think differently about money, banks, or protecting your family's future, the next step is not a sales call. Infinite banking is a long-term strategy, not a product, and it's not right for everyone. To help determine whether this approach fits someone's goals, cash flow, and expectations, we've created a short infinite banking strategy review. Start with the strategy review linked below.